All right, good afternoon. We are here at Karen Smith's house. This was an empty backyard when we got started, and they had two things they actually really wanted to have. And they came to us telling us they wanted a pathway so that they could walk around their yard, and also that they wanted a swim pool spa installed so that they can swim here in their backyard. So I have a question for you, Karen. Why did you choose to work with Living Water and myself? What was it that sold you on us?
So when I looked at your website, I was really impressed. I looked at all the pictures and I looked at testimonials, and I also looked at Better Business Bureau, which you had good reviews out there too. So that was all a plus. And then I called and they were really helpful. I said we were interested in a pool at first, and then she was really honest and told me the prices. And then she said, well, you know what, why don't you go with a swim spa? And I never heard of that. I've heard of spas, I just never heard of a swim spa. So she said, go out to Creative Spa Designs, and we really liked it. So you kind of put everything together. When you met with us, it was really great. You listened to what we wanted.
What would you say would be one of the real big things that impressed you about our crews?
Miguel and Brian, they are hard workers. They know what they're doing. They come in here, and then they just hit the ground running, working, clearing. But they did everything every day.
They came and made sure that you could come and use your space as we were building. Yeah. And would you recommend us to other people?
Oh, yes, definitely. If you want a first-class job done, I would definitely recommend you. I've seen other jobs around the neighborhood, and I've never seen anyone hose down the street after they swept it to clean up everything. That was the first time we've seen that. Michael was shocked, too, when he looked out the window and said,
well, we appreciate it and the opportunity.